sort of endless expanse of just like rows and rows of trees. Like it's all blended together. Don't know if you've crossed this river already, if you've seen that rock.
So this is a writing in nature course, and I've picked out 25 or 30 different spots nearby that we can drive to within 5 or 10 minutes. And every day, as long as it's not pouring rain, we head out in the car usually and drive to a spot in the woods or the forest or something like that. And we sit down and write and journal, and I give them a prompt many days. We're trying to focus on our descriptive writing and our observations and using the senses. Today we went out to a little patch of pine forest overlooking the Meiringen Valley and read some excerpts from Bill Bryson's book, A Walk in the Woods, about his hike on the Appalachian Trail, and then reflected on that. Astrid likes to go off in the distance and sit among the flowers and journal. So we're just having fun exploring the Hasselberg.